In today's video we've got an amazingly delicious creamy spaghetti pasta with shrimp and smoked bacon. Now we've got here 5 rashers of smoked streaky bacon, and I'm using streaky bacon over back bacon because this has a bit extra fat which we want to get out to give some extra flavor to our pasta. We'll just cut it into strips. Now set the pan on medium heat, and to this we're gonna add the bacon and we're gonna render that fat out slowly. With the bacon in the pan, we're going in with about 10 grams of butter. Now when the bacon starts getting golden brown in color and it's getting crispier, we're gonna go in with the shrimps. And in this situation, I've got 2 different types. One smaller and the other one's bigger because I wanna have different texture in it and slightly different flavors too. In also goes 1 clove of grated garlic. And now we're gonna cook this for about 3-4 minutes. You don't require much cooking because the shrimps are already cooked. But to be honest, even if they were raw, seafood in general doesn't require much cooking and you've got to be very careful with this. I'm adding in about a tablespoon of tomato paste. Now lower the heat back to medium and we're going in with about 200 milliliters of dairy cream. About 30 or 40 grams of Parmesan also goes in. And now we're gonna reduce this cream slightly so it gets slightly thicker. Taste and see what you think in terms of seasoning. But because we added quite a bit of bacon, and the bacon is salty, we're not gonna need any more salt. But I'm going in with about a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper and about a 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. Now with our spaghetti pasta cooked al dente, we're mixing it in and we're gonna keep some of this pasta water just in case we need to adjust the sauce, because I wanna cook the pasta into the sauce for a further 2-3 minutes, and in this situation the sauce might get just a bit too thick. And at the end, if you wish, you can also go in with some fresh parsley. Now mix everything together and serve the shrimp pasta with smoked bacon immediately. And if you enjoyed this simple recipe, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes like this.